Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove suggested on Messenger on Android, right? So here we will just open our Messenger mobile application, and if I just go to the search bar, as you can see here that I get some unknown suggested contacts or basically profile, which I don't know them, right? So how I can remove them? So there's no option to remove here, but let me show you how you can do this. On the top left side corner you will see your profile icon. Now go to the settings bar here. Now here somewhere you will get this option of contacts. So if you don't find contacts just like me, you can just always, let me show you where you can get it. So you have to click on privacy and safety. Then you have to tap on hidden contacts. Now as you can see here, there's nothing. So you can just click on this plus icon and you can select the accounts which you want to hide from suggestion. So I will just select this one, right? So for example this is, and I will click on hide contact, right? So now I just go back and I just look for my suggestion. As you can see here, this contact will not be available on my suggestion, right? So this is how you can just remove it, but it's take a lot of time. So here you can just go back to your privacy and safety, and here you can just turn off your contacts upload. So basically whenever you just install your Messenger login into your Messenger, it will ask you an option to give access to your contacts. Make sure you don't give it, and in this way you can solve your problem. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.